Why Mahakumbh Mela of 2025 is an extraordinary spiritual and cultural event. A rare planetary alignments of Jupiter, Sun, and the Moon seen after 144 years. These cosmic positions are believed to imbue the Sangam of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the Saraswati, making it a deeply auspicious occasion. Coming after the global disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, the 2025 Mahakumbh represents a resurgence of faith, unity, and hope. Mahakumbh Mela of 2025 will likely see a historic gathering as people seek spiritual renewal, cleanse sins and pave the way for moksha. The Mahakumbh of 2025 blends ancient traditions with modern innovations. Digital mapping and AI technology will be used to manage crowds and ensure their safety. Online broadcasts of 2025 Mahakumbh Mela will ensure billions can experience the event, making it one of the most accessible Mahakumbh Mela in history. This Mahakumbh event will also emphasize environmental sustainability, with significant efforts being given to Clean Ganga Mission. The Mahakumbh Mela 2025 is expected to host millions of pilgrims, and various stay facilities will be provided for their accommodation like tents, hotels and many more. Cultural programs featuring traditional art, music, and rituals will also be performed showcasing India's rich heritage. While the timeless belief in the spiritual cleansing and liberation, moksha, offered by bathing in the sacred rivers will draw millions of devout pilgrims. Together, these factors elevate the 2025 Mahakumbh Mela into a truly iconic event, destined to be remembered as a historic milestone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel 2 Minutes Insights for more updates.